Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude MCP to Unity step by step. By the end, you'll be able to control Unity using AI prompts. Pretty awesome stuff. First, open your browser and search for Unity MCP GitHub. Click on the first result. Then hit the code button and download the project as a zip file. Scroll down the GitHub page and look for the prerequisites section. Here you'll see required Unity version, Python 3 version, UV package manager installation. You can watch my previous tutorials on how to set up UV on Mac and Windows, links in description. And an AI agent. In this case, we'll use Claude Desktop. Make sure you install all of them before moving on. Now search for Claude download and install the desktop version. Once installed, we'll come back to it later. Open Unity Engine and create a new project. I'm using the latest LTS version, which is Unity 6.4. Quick tip, always use LTS versions instead of beta. Beta can cause package errors. Go to Window, Package Management, Package Manager. Click the plus icon on the left and choose Install Package from Disk. Navigate to your downloaded MCP folder, select MCP for Unity, and choose the package JSON file. Also, this package is available on the Unity Asset Store if you prefer installing it that way. Once installed, go to Window, MCP for Unity, toggle MCP window. In the MCP window, set server transport to stdio. Click Start Session. For client config, select Claude Desktop. Click Configure for auto setup. Then click Install Skills. If auto config doesn't work, expand manual configuration. Copy the config code and paste it into Claude. Open Claude Desktop and go to Developer Settings. You should see the Unity MCP server added and running. With Unity still open, type this prompt in Claude. Check connection to Unity. If everything is set up correctly, it should respond successfully. Now let's test it with real actions. Prompt, create for me a plane for ground. Then, create a slope and put a sphere on it, so when I click play, the sphere moves down using physics. It creates everything, but sometimes positioning isn't perfect. That's normal. I tried asking it to fix the position, but it didn't work perfectly. So I adjusted it manually. Hit play, and now the sphere rolls down the slope using physics. Nice. Let's make it look better. Prompt, set color for slope and sphere so it's easier to recognize them. Claude will create a materials folder, assign blue to the sphere, assign orange to the slope, and that's it, much better visually. That's how you connect Claude MCP to Unity and start building with AI. I've included all the required links in the description below. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.